Hi, Madam Eileen here. Are you ready for some more fun? Today we're going to do the double teardrop. Hope you had fun with those other exercises, the double spiral, the regular spiral, the curved line. So much. There's so many fun lines to practice with, and you'll be seeing me in the future episodes how I put all of these different elements together to make some really fun, unique work. So first, we're going to load the brush. Here's a quick review in case any of you need it. I'm going to flip the camera down to my workstation. We're going to flip the camera around so you're looking at it the same direction as me. We're going to be painting directly on top of my practice board, which is just a plastic cutting sheet I got from the dollar store. One side is clear and smooth, that's the bottom, and then the top is textured, and you should hear that when you scratch it. We're painting on the textured side. We're going to be loading up on white. You can already see bottom here, so I'm going to be putting some fresh paint in a little bit. I spray in just enough water to use. I'm not overspraying it. This paint has antibacterial properties in it, so you don't have to worry about paint becoming contaminated with bacteria or having to put alcohol or some disinfectant in your water because the paint already has it in it. Unless it's a very cheap brand of face paint. But as far as I know, all the brands that are sold on justpaint.com or sillyfarm.com are all cosmetic quality and they have antibacterial in it. All right, we've loaded our brush. I've pulled it across some dry areas of my paint just to make sure I don't have too much paint on my brush. We're going to set that aside. Now, double teardrops are usually done curved. So you want to pick a vanishing point. I'm going to have my curve end in this direction. So I'm going to put it out here, do a teardrop, press my brush down, lift up and give a slight curve as I go into the vanishing point. To do the next, to make the double teardrop, I'm going to do a smaller teardrop just lower than that and pull it in. Now I'm going to do a thin line on the tippy toe of my brush from here to here, from the big end to the big end of these two teardrops, connecting them. This is your double teardrop. It's often used in butterfly designs. You'll see a teardrop followed by another teardrop. Some people, they go straight from the two drops, lift their brush up, and then connect. But then here's the shortcut. The shortcut is you do your first teardrop down, you go to the large part of your teardrop, you do a loop, and then you lay your brush down and you go in. So those are two ways to do this double teardrop. You can even do long and straight. In this case, I almost connected the two and then connected it up here. Add teardrops of different sizes. Remember to do different directions. That one didn't turn out too good. The glare of my light. You might end up with the two lines pointing towards the vanishing point, more effective for making your double teardrops. I've seen the double teardrop used in a lot of face paint masks. Also, this is the way you begin your spider web. But I will show spider webs in my next tutorial. Remember, set aside 20 minutes to practice your painting every day. Or set a daily goal. Maybe you want to do 100 of these in a day. Just put on some really nice music and get painting. Have fun.